If you have a child or client with autism or toddler showing signs, you might be making one of 5 language mistakes. I know I've made all of these mistakes over the last 2 decades since I've been in the autism world. I'm Dr. Mary Barbera, and I fell into the whole autism world when my son Lucas started showing signs and was eventually diagnosed. But that was a long time ago. Now I'm a behavior analyst and I want to help parents and professionals teach the right skills in the right order. So, mistake number one that you might be making is labeling kids as nonverbal and kind of giving up on vocal language. I see this all the time. And we have to remember that all of us, even newborn babies, are verbal humans. We come out of the womb crying for things that we need, like a bottle or diaper change. And all of our behavior is communicative. So when kids are labeled nonverbal, I don't think it really helps. And what I see frequently is kids that are labeled as nonverbal, people jump right away to trying to teach them AC devices, picture exchange, or even sign language without really focusing on what sounds do they have, what word approximations, what pop out words they have. And this is, I think, is a mistake. I'm not against any AAC devices or systems that truly work, but I find that people are jumping the gun way too quickly. So mistake number one is labeling kids as nonverbal. And the ways to avoid mistake number one is to really do language samples that I talk about in my book, Turn Autism Around, and in my online course. You can learn how to assess what sounds and words they have and how to make a plan to get more vocal language. So that's mistake number one. Tune in for mistake number two next.